Hello class. Tomorrow we're going to continue with our baseball unit. We're going to be focusing on pitching. So today in this video I'm going to show you a few different grips that pitchers in Major League Baseball will use. So I want you to become familiar with the different grips, and tomorrow in class we'll have a chance to practice the different pitches and hopefully see the results of the different grips. So the first pitch I want you to know is the four-seam fastball. So you're going to locate the big horseshoe seam, two fingers right over top, as so. Four seam fastball. As you can see, the baseball is deep in my hand. You actually want it to be out. So you want a nice loose grip to reduce friction. Now, when you throw the ball, it's going to travel this direction and it's going to be released with a backspin. So it's going to travel through the air like this, and it's not going to dive because of the backspin. It's going to have the appearance of rising, so it'll fool the hitter that way. The two-seam fastball, I want you to locate the two minor seams. Your hands are going to go right over top, thumb in this leather part on the back. You're going to be holding it deeper in your hand, deeper than the four-seam fastball. The next pitch is called the circle changeup. And the changeup is thrown just like a fastball, and it looks like a fastball coming out of the hand, but due to the amount of friction on your hand with the ball, it is actually slower, so it'll fool the hitter. They'll be way ahead and their timing will be off. So you're going to make an OK sign like this. You're going to place the ball right up in, and then you're just going to grab it. So here's your circle, and you can see how deep it is in your hand. It's going to create a lot of friction and slow the ball down. Now we're going to get into the breaking balls. So the curveball, you're going to locate the major horseshoe with your index finger, place it on top, and put your pointer finger right next to it like this. Instead of throwing this way with the wrist, you're going to rotate and throw this way. Okay, so your thumb is going to come up and over, and your fingers are going to go down. So it's a 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock motion. It's going to cause top spin on the ball and cause it to dive. The slider is a very similar pitch. It's just basically a curveball off kilter, so you can have the same grip as the curveball. Maybe stagger it down just a hair if you'd like, and instead of going 12 to 6, you're just going to cock a little bit this way and break the wrist in this manner. So sort of from a 2 o'clock to 7 o'clock position. That's going to cause the ball to not only break down but break away. Okay, so those are the different pitches we'll be practicing tomorrow. So again, review: four-seam fastball, two-seam fastball, circle change, curveball, and slider. Okay, see you tomorrow.